Leo, have you seen the laundry basket?
It's in the laundry room.
Wow, it's completely full.
Looks like we have a busy morning.
I kept putting it off.
It happens. Let's get started.
Thanks. I could use some help.
Of course. Where should we begin?
Let's sort the clothes first.
Good idea. Whites on one side, colors on the other.
Like this?
Almost. That red t-shirt doesn't belong there.
Oh, I didn't even notice.
If you wash it with the white clothes, they might turn pink.
Seriously?
Yes, it happens more often than you think,
That would be a disaster.
especially for your favorite white hoodie.
You're right. I'll move it.
Much better.
What about these blue jeans?
Keep them with the dark colors.
Okay, that makes sense.
You're getting the hang of it.
I usually throw everything in together.
I had a feeling you did.
Hey, don't laugh.
I'm not laughing.
You're smiling.
Maybe just a little.
Very funny.
I'm only teasing you.
I know.
Is that the last pile?
Almost. Just these socks.
Do they have a matching pair?
That's a good question.
Missing socks are a mystery.
I think the washing machine eats them.
I've heard that theory before.
I'm glad I'm not the only one.
Definitely not.
Everything is sorted now.
Great. Let's load the washing machine.
Should I add the detergent first?
Yes, but not too much.
Is this enough?
Perfect.
Okay, ready?
Go ahead.
Here we go.
Nice.
It's running.
One job done.
That wasn't as hard as I expected.
See? Teamwork makes everything easier.
What should we do while it's washing?
Let's clean the refrigerator next.
Oh, wow. Look at this fridge.
It's more crowded than I expected.
I didn't realize it was this full.
We should clean it today.
I agree. Where do we start?
Let's take everything out first.
Everything?
It'll make things much easier.
Okay, here goes.
I'll hold the vegetables.
Can you take the milk too?
Sure, I'll put it here.
Wait, is this yogurt still good?
Let me check the date.
What does it say?
It expired 3 days ago.
No wonder it smelled strange.
Time to throw it away.
I forgot it was there.
That happens sometimes.
What about these apples?
They still look fresh.
Great. I'll keep them.
Put them in this basket.
Should we group everything?
Yes, it'll be easier to find.
Drinks on the top shelf?
That's a good place.
Vegetables go in the drawer?
Exactly.
Where should the leftovers go?
Keep them on the middle shelf.
That makes sense.
You'll find them faster.
I like how it's looking.
It's much more organized now.
We have so much space.
Amazing what cleaning can do.
I should do this more often.
It saves time later.
Okay, I think we're done.
Almost.
Did we miss something?
Wipe that shelf first.
Good catch.
Now it looks perfect.
I'm actually proud of this.
You should be.
The kitchen already feels cleaner.
I was thinking the same.
What's that sound?
Do you hear that drip?
It sounds like water.
I think it's coming from the sink.
Let's go check.
Hopefully it's nothing serious.
I hope so too.
Come on, let's have a look.
The dripping is coming from here.
Yeah, I can hear it now.
It wasn't dripping yesterday.
Maybe it just started today.
Do you think it's serious?
Let's take a closer look.
What are you checking?
The pipe under the sink.
Can I help?
Sure. Hold this flashlight.
Like this?
Perfect. That's helping.
Do you see anything?
I think I found the problem.
Really? What is it?
This connection feels a little loose.
Can we fix it?
I think we can.
What do you need?
Can you pass me the wrench?
Here you go.
Thanks.
Is it working?
Almost. Just one more turn.
Should I turn on the water?
Yes. Let's test it.
Okay, here it goes.
Good.
I don't hear the dripping anymore.
Neither do I.
I think you fixed it.
Let's check one more time.
Still dry.
That's a good sign.
I'm impressed.
It was a small problem.
You make it look easy.
It gets easier with practice.
Maybe you'll have to teach me.
I'd be happy to.
Thanks for fixing it.
We fixed it together.
I like that answer.
Teamwork again.
The kitchen feels complete now.
Almost complete.
What did we forget?
Look over there.
Oh, the trash bin is full.
I noticed it earlier.
I can't believe I missed that.
It happens.
We should take it out.
Before it gets any fuller.
I'll grab the bag.
I'll open the door.
Ready?
Let's take out the trash.
Wow, this bag is heavier than I thought.
We probably waited too long.
I guess you're right.
Let's take it outside.
I'll hold the door.
Thanks.
Careful, it's a little heavy.
I've got it.
Wait, don't forget the recycling.
Good catch.
We should separate it first.
That's the better way.
Plastic goes in this bin.
Yes, that's right.
What about these boxes?
They go with the paper.
And the food waste?
Put it in the green bin.
I'm getting better at this.
You're doing really well.
Thanks.
Ready for the next bag?
There's another one?
Just a small one.
That's not too bad.
Here you go.
All right, let's finish it.
Almost done.
The bins look much better now.
They really do.
The house already feels cleaner.
It's a nice feeling.
I actually enjoy cleaning today.
That's because we're doing it together.
Maybe that's the secret.
I think so.
Is there anything left?
Let me think.
Laundry is done.
The fridge is organized.
The sink isn't leaking anymore.
That's right.
Then we're finished.
Not quite.
Really?
The living room floor needs a quick sweep.
I almost forgot about that.
It won't take long.
I'll get the broom.
I'll bring the dustpan.
Let's make it shine.
That's the spirit.
Ready?
Ready.
One last job.
Then we can finally relax.
That sounds perfect.
Let's get started.
I'll start with the broom.
I'll get the mop ready.
There's more dust than I expected.
It builds up pretty quickly.
I'll sweep under the sofa.
Don't forget the corners.
Good point. Dust loves hiding there.
You're right. How's it looking?
Much better already. Nice work.
Is this enough space?
Perfect.
We're making good progress.
Watch out!
What happened?
I almost stepped in the bucket.
That was close. At least you caught yourself.
That could have been embarrassing.
We would have laughed about it.
I know you would.
Maybe just a little.
Very funny. I couldn't help it. Be careful with the mop.
Don't worry. I've got it.
The floor is shining now.
It really is.
The room feels so fresh.
I love that clean smell.
Me too.
We're almost finished.
Is there anything left?
Just one last touch.
What's that?
Let's straighten the cushions.
Good idea.
Maybe move the plant, too.
That would look nice.
I think so.
This place looks completely different.
A little cleaning goes a long way.
I'm really happy with it.
Me too.
Ready for the final step?
Absolutely.
Let's make the room look perfect.
Then we can finally relax.
We definitely earned it.
Let's finish strong.
The room already looks much better.
It does, but we're not done yet.
What else should we do?
Let's make it feel more welcoming.
I like that idea.
How about moving this plant?
To the corner by the window?
I think it'll look nice there.
Let's try it.
Careful, it's a little heavy.
I've got it.
Perfect. Right there.
Wow, that looks much better.
It really brightens the room.
What should we do next?
These cushions look a little messy.
I just threw them on the sofa.
I can tell.
Hey, don't tease me.
I'm only being honest.
Fine. Help me fix them. Gladly.
Like this?
That's perfect.
It looks so much nicer.
Small changes make a big difference.
You're right.
What about the picture frame?
Is it crooked?
Just a little.
Can you straighten it?
Sure.
Better?
Much better.
Now everything looks balanced.
I like how it turned out.
Me too.
The room feels peaceful now.
It really does.
We worked hard today,
We did.
and it was worth it.
I couldn't have done it alone.
We make a good team.
We really do.
I think we're finally finished.
Should we sit down now?
That's exactly what I was thinking.
I could really use a break.
Me too.
Maybe a cup of coffee?
That sounds perfect.
I'll make 2 cups.
I'll get everything ready.
Finally, time to relax.
We earned it.
This feels so nice.
It really does.
The house looks completely different.
All our hard work paid off.
Thanks for helping me today.
Anytime. I enjoyed it.
I couldn't have done it alone.
We worked as a team.
That's true.
Teamwork makes everything easier.
I learned a few things today.
Like sorting the laundry?
Don't remind me.
I'm just kidding.
I know.
You did a great job.
Thanks. That means a lot.
You were willing to learn.
I still can't believe I almost mixed the red shirt with the white clothes.
We caught it just in time.
That was lucky.
Very lucky.
And we fixed the sink, too.
That turned out better than I expected.
The fridge looks so organized now.
It'll be easier to find everything.
I should keep it like this.
One shelf at a time.
I like that.
Small habits make a big difference.
You're full of good advice today.
I have my moments.
I noticed.
Are you making fun of me now?
Maybe just a little.
Now it's my turn to say, very funny.
We're even now.
I think we are.
What's next on our plan?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Just relax and enjoy the clean house.
That sounds perfect.
We earned a quiet afternoon.
And a second cup of coffee.
I was hoping you'd say that.
I'll make it this time.
I'll bring the cookies.
Now you're talking.
Ready for another busy day tomorrow?
Maybe. After today, I'll sleep early.
That's probably a good idea.
See you tomorrow.
Absolutely.
Have a great evening.
You too, Maya.